Good day folks, in this video I'm going to show you a blinking LED and a programmable IC using PIC16F877A. So the algorithm is when RB0 is equals to 0 or low, RC0 to RC3 will blink, and when RB0 is equals to 1 or high, RC4 to RC7 will blink. Also, when RB1, which is this one, is equals to 1, RZ0 to RC7 will blink, meaning all of this LED will light up. So to start, I have done creating the circuit. Now we will load the code that we program using micro C. So to load that, we need to find the file, the hex file I mean. So this is the hex file. Once you click it, click open and then OK. And after loading it to the IC, we'll now run the simulation. But first, let me zoom this one. Okay, so let's run the simulation. As you can see, when RB0 is equals to 0 or low, the RC0 to RC3 LED are blinking. RC0 to RC3 are blinking. Now, when I make this RB0 high or 1, this RC4 and RC7 will light up. Thus, this RC0 to RC3 will turn off. So let's make this RB0 high. And as you can see here, that the RC4 to RC7 are blinking. So let's take the other condition when RB1 is equals to 1 and all LED will light up. So yeah, as you can see here that when RB1 are high, or I mean when it's high, all LEDs are blinking. So that's for blinking LED using a programmable IC. Thank you. Good day folks, in this video I'll be showing you a walking LED using the same circuit that we use in a blinking LED. But now it has a different algorithm. So the algorithms are when RB0 is equals to 0 and RB1 is equals to 0, the LED will blink to the right, from left to right. When RB0 is equals to 1 and RB1 is equals to 0, the LED will blink to the left, from right to left. When RB0 is equals to 1 and RB1 is equals to 1, the LED will just stay blinking. When RB0 is equals to 0 and RB1 is equals to 1, the LED will stop blinking, thus it will just continue lighting up. So to start the simulation, again, we will load the program in this programmable IC. To load that, just double click it and find the program. So this is the program, the hex file, and then open it and click OK. Once it is loaded up to the IC, to the PIC, we'll now begin the simulation. But first, I will zoom in this part. Now we will begin the simulation. So, as you can see, in the first condition, when RB0 is equals to 0 and RB1 is equals to 0, the LED is blinking from left to right. And now, we will continue for the other condition. When RB0 is equals to 1 and RB1 is equals to 0, the LED will blink from right to left. Let's make this RB0 1 or high. And now you can see in the simulation that the blinking of LED is now starting from right to left. And now we'll move on to the other condition. When RB0 is equals to 1 and RB1 is equals to 1, the LED will just stay blinking. So let's make this RB1 1 or high. And as you can see that the LED is just blinking. Now let's do this another condition again. This RB0 is equals to 0 and RB1 is equals to 1. The LED will stop blinking, thus all of this LED will just light up, will just continue lighting up. So RB0 must be 0. Let's toggle this switch. And now the LED is now stopped blinking. So that's it, folks. That's the demonstration of a working LED with respect to its algorithm. Thank you.